Hello, my dear food lovers. Hope you are hungry. I am. And guess what? Today I want to share with you one beautiful recipe of the seaweed salad. I can call it the superfood salad. Very simple to cook. No frying. Not using. Okay. You need to boil the eggs. But except that, just simple cutting and mixing with a spoon. So, what we're gonna need to prepare this salad is the marinated seaweed, the crab sticks, and quail eggs. You can also use chicken eggs, but I prefer quail eggs. I will explain you later a little bit why. And mayo. So we start with cutting the quail eggs. I was lucky enough and my girlfriend cooked them and peeled them for me. So quail eggs are much more better than chicken eggs. They're richer in nutrients like vitamins and iron and etc, etc, etc. So the only disadvantage of them is that you need more effort to cook them and peel them. But as I told you already, I was lucky enough and my girlfriend made it for me. So we just cut them into the cubes, throw into the dish here. Okay, chicken eggs are more pleasant to cut here because they are bigger, but it's fine. Trust me, they are worthy because they are more buttery in taste also. Hop. I think this is the most difficult part of creating this salad. What? So we're gonna use 20 eggs for this, so it's like 4 chicken eggs, equal to 4 chicken eggs. So nothing special, just cut. Yeah, if you're gonna cook them, boil them by yourself and peel them by yourself, so I recommend to you, first you boil, then you need to leave them in the cold water, so they're gonna get cold. After this it's much easier to peel them and to cut them also. Mine are already very cold. Just a few more left. Up. Yeah. Reach. I actually think this amount will be enough. So the first and the most difficult step is done. Second, crab meat. Simply Let's cut the plastic off. Yeah. Success! Okay, we remove the plastic. I don't think it's really tasty. Anyways, you know that the average man is eating around a few grams of plastic per week, they say. So we don't want to eat more plastic. Why do they need to cover each of them in this? I don't know. Okay, let's chop them. Fast and furious. Beautiful. Beautiful. Few more left. And last one. All right, now it's time to stir gently. Okay, the marinated seaweed. There should be some water inside, so I want to get rid of it. Yeah. Yeah, I was right, there is some water inside the package. As we get rid of the water, just show it inside and stir. By the way, seaweed is a great source of magnesium, the vitamin K, and lots of other minerals and vitamins. It's also very low in calories, good for immune system. So this salad overall, as I told you, I call it superfood. The only one ingredient that is not really healthy there is mayo. So now it's time to add some mayo. Not too much. Also, what's nice about this salad and what makes it really healthy, we don't need no additional spices, no salt, as the mayo is already salty and the seaweed by itself is salty also. So okay, maybe it doesn't look so bright, but trust me, the taste is just amazing. Yummy, yummy. Okay. Time to start. Sorry, time to try. Enjoy. See you in our next video.